Yeah, hi. My name is Pankaj, and today we'll go through a demo and to see how we can connect a Cassandra database using a Java application and run few operations, which we'll see in this tutorial. So initially, I have created a project that is a test Cassandra, and then we have taken all the jar files which were dependent to run this application, the program. After that, we have got two classes. We have two Java programs here, and there are two classes like Java getting started and getting started 2. So we'll go one by one. So here's the first one, getting started. So here uh, we have created two instances like the cluster and the session. So in the cluster we have given a connection, the contact point, which is the IP address here, and then the demo, which is a key space for getting connected with a cluster database. So this is a demo of the key space name. Right, so here we can check the connection, and here we have connected to the test cluster, which is followed with IP, and then we'll see how the operations work here. So here in the class, in the program, in the Java program, we have seen we are going to execute three of the queries, three of the operations, which are like insert and update and delete. So we can directly perform it from here. Oops, sorry. Okay, so here we have given one insert command where we'll be updating, where we'll be inserting a user and followed by his age, and then we'll update that query, update that update that user's profile, that will update his age, and then we will delete all the data from here in that this under this statement. So for time being, I will just comment this thing and try to run the Java program here. So if you can see in the console, sorry for that. Yeah, if you see here, we can see that the Bob age was like 35, and then it was updated to 36, and this is a command which we have, this is a print which we wanted exactly. So we have got this in and to see this changes, we can also go to that database and then run the query from here. If you see here, again the last name is the Jones, and the age is updated to 36. Initially it was 35, so now it is updated to 36. If we now delete, if we uncomment this delete statement and then try to run the application Java program, so we'll run it as a Java application here, and then we get to see the records are there, but definitely if we see in the database, we run the same. Sorry for that. If you see here, there are 0 records. Here there are no records because we have at the end we have deleted, because this is just a testing performance. So we have just deleted those records as well here. And similarly, if we go to the second program, here also if we see, okay, let me minimize it so that it becomes a little clearer. Okay, here also we have got this class like getting started 2, and here we are also going to perform the 3 operations like insert, update and delete, but in a different fashion. Like we have introduced, like we even do have this cluster and the session here, the key space demo, because the connectivity is same with the Cassandra database. And here we have introduced a few policies like retry policies, load balancing policies, and token aware policies. So I mean the retry policy is like it is dependent upon your how you want it to be, and the load balancing policies, token aware policies are like to fetch the data and to hit the node which in the database which node can bring the data. So it is required for this. So we have taken those policies into consideration here, and the session under that we have the demo as the key space. And similarly here we have got prepared statement to insert the values, and also the bound statement, which is very important consideration here because it will bind all the data in under single one thing and then fetch it. So here we also have insert statement, and then we have got the update statement and then delete. So for time being and under the query builders this thing, here we come to know that okay, all the users are deleted and there is no more user. So for timing I'm delete, we can just comment this. Actually that's not the right way to comment, so we can do something like here, just select this, or so this is a best practice. So again I'll try to run this program. So if you see here again we get the same results, and if you also check in the database, so again you can see that the user's age is updated to 36. And similarly if we uncomment this statement, we'll be able to delete the details, the user from the table also. So if you go back here and then here, you can again see that the users are deleted here. There are no users here present. So this was the part. I hope you must have liked the video and have got some basic knowledge of it. Thank you so much.